One for you. Can you give one to Gracie?
Here goes Gracie.
Whoops.
Oh, we dropped it.
Okay, give her another one. We'll get her
Oh,
another
she sees it.
Let's get that. One.
One for Naya.
One for the Gracie.
One for Gracie.
One for me.
One for Naya.
One for Gracie.
One for Gracie. Very nice.
One for me.
One for Naya.
Look at hole. Hole.
It's got a hole. One for Gracie.
Gracie's funny.
She is. I think Naya's funny.
I'm a drink.
You need a drink?
Come on, Jen, to pull them bangs over so we can see that pretty face.
Here. Where's Gracie?
Gracie.
The Gracie. That's some more.
You need some more? What's your magic word?
There's also more.
What do you say?
Yes.
Yes, but what do you say? What's our magic word?
Yes.
Please.
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 Where's Gracie? Gracie.
And how old is she now?
And the magic and then
2.5.
Where's me?
One for you.
Where's Gracie?
One for Gracie.
How about one for Aunt Jen? Does she get one?
Can Aunt Jen have one? Oh, Mimi gets one.
Oh, Mimi's got the camera. Okay, put it in my hand.
Very nice.
Thank you, sweet girl.
Oh,
Ooh,
that's so
yum. I'm going to
nice.
eat it. What? She's looking to make sure I put it in my mouth.
Where's Gracie?
That
Mine's perfect.
doggy fingers.
Where's Gracie? The one.
Grassy. Is that grassy? Can
Where's
you...
the more Gracie?
Maybe.
Okay. Do you need more?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah.
Yes, but what do you say?
Yeah.
Say please. Yes, please.
Please.
Yes,
Yes, please.
Abenaya,
Yeah.
look at the camera.
please. Look up at Mimi.
Abenaya, can you tell the camera...
Where's Gracie?
One for Grassy. Abenaya, can you tell the camera goodbye?
Say that.
Goodbye, Grandma.
Goodbye, camera.
Can you throw him a kiss? Throw the camera a kiss.
Throw a kiss. Mwah. Can you throw him a kiss? Mwah. Look at Mimi. Throw Mimi a kiss. Mwah.
Where's Gracie again?
Okay.
Gracie gets another one. Very nice.
Got a high forehead.
Uh-huh.
Look at that.
What?